How to fix feedback required on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way on how you can fix the feedback required issue on Instagram. Before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, the feedback required issue could be happening because Instagram has blocked you from accessing Instagram service from your particular IP address because it thinks that you are actually a robot and not a real human browsing through Instagram. This happens when you have been following too many people at once, following too many accounts, posting too many videos, or just doing some spammy behaviors on the Instagram account. In order to fix this, the very first thing I want you to do is, let's say that you're using Wi-Fi. I want you to try to simply switch to cellular data. When you switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data and now you go ahead and then open the Instagram app, it is going to also change the IP address of your network connection, which means as a result you could actually get access back into your Instagram account. So just keep that in mind. If you're using cellular data, I would recommend you to switch to Wi-Fi. If you also have other Wi-Fi networks available, just try to switch to those networks first of all. If this doesn't help, most likely the issue could also be with the Instagram service. So in order to check that, just go ahead and then launch any of the Google Chrome or any browser on your phone, and in the search box you want to type in "is Instagram down." Once you type in "is Instagram down" and search for it, now personally down detector is the first way to go for it. Just select it over here and you'll be able to see. And again, if you look at the bottom, if you see a sudden spike in the number of reports which are reported by users on Instagram, it means that aside from you, other people are also facing the issues as well. Now most likely, in order to fix this, what you have to do is you have to open up your respective app stores. So whether you're on iPhone or Android, open your respective app stores. In the search box, just go ahead and then type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, if you see an update button there next to the Instagram app, I want you to actually go ahead and then update the Instagram app to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version of the app. Now hopefully one of these would definitely solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.